Is it going to be Hyderabad or Bhagyanagar?
We believe in being game changers, not name changers, Navika.
Okay. So, Hyderabad stays Hyderabad even after the elections if you have the majority?
नाविका, हमें फिक्र है यहाँ की आम आदमी की जिंदगी से। उनकी जिंदगी बदलनी है। नाम बदलने से क्या होगा? अहमदाबाद का नाम बदल के आप न्यूयॉर्क कर दो तो क्या न्यूयॉर्क बन जाएगा कल? मैं नाम बदल लूं, अमिताभ बच्चन बन जाऊं तो अमिताभ बच्चन बन जाऊंगा क्या कल?
There is also this whole issue of dryness that is being raised, because AIMIM family party, the TRS family party. If you look at many other political parties across the country, whether you look at the Samajwadi Party or you look at the NCP or you look at the Shiv Sena, or you look at the National Conference or Mehbooba Mufti's PDP, they are all dynastic parties. Actually, there is no premium on merit in this country. Do you agree?
Can I say something? And I don't know why you left out BJP out of the list. Today, Mr. Yediyurappa is a CM in Karnataka. His son is an MP, one son. The other son is the state BJP's vice president. Mrs. Vasundhara Raje Scindia is the was the chief minister of Rajasthan. Her son is an MP. Maneka Gandhi was a central minister. Her son is an MP. Mrs. Vijay Raje Scindia, Yashodhara Raje Scindia, Jyotiraditya Scindia are all in BJP. So you see Diners also in BJP. So please don't exempt them and please don't be so kind on them.
But it isn't like KCR, becomes chief minister and his son becomes the working president. It isn't that Amit Shah was party president and right after him his son becomes. It is JP Nadda who becomes. So the party president, and it's not like Mr. Modi will be prime minister,
so you see,
and after him somebody from his
Navika,
family will be the prime minister.
Rajasthan, it is ultimately the people who elect us, Navika. We are not forced on them. I have won my election 4 times in a row. If you have a problem with that, please take it up with the people of Telangana. If they want me re-elected, who are you and I to object to that? And if other people, have a problem with that, let them come and contest against us.
You are dodging the question. You are elected in your own right. Nobody is questioning that. But
no, I'm not dodging the question.
No,
all I'm
but
saying is,
the question I'm asking, the
you
question I'm
BJP
asking,
sound holier than thou when they are not. The Bharatiya Janata Party in Karnataka has Diners running the show there. The Bharatiya Janata Party in Rajasthan has Diners running the show there. The Bharatiya Janata Party in Madhya Pradesh has Diners running the show there. The Bharatiya Janata Party elsewhere in the Uttar Pradesh region also has Diners. You don't want to see that? That is your problem, not mine.
Mr. KCR's son will be the president of the Telangana Rashtriya Samiti. When he hangs up his boots, KTR will be the chief ministerial candidate.
Vasundhara's son also becomes an MP. Mr. Yediyurappa's son can become an MP.
But doesn't become the prime minister or the future chief minister. That's the point.
But Mr. KCR's son does not become an MLA.
But they don't.
What is your problem with that? I don't understand. If my party MLAs elect a certain leader, if the party MLAs elect a certain leader, and if those MLAs are elected by the people, what problem do you have with that, or what problem does the BJP have with that? You make BJP sound holier than thou, when the fact is, they also have encouraged the same family politics across the country. Mr. Modi may not have a family, but there are other people in the BJP who have families, and they've been encouraging their sons and daughters. मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूं नाविका, आज पॉलिटिक्स में किसी का बेटा होना या बेटी होना एक एंट्री पास है. उसके बाद में आपके काबिलियत पे आपकी फ्यूचर निर्भर होती है. अगर आप काबिल नहीं हैं तो जनता आपको रिजेक्ट करेंगी. अगर आप काबिल हैं तो आप वापस चुन के आओगे. इसमें आपको या किसी और को इतराज होने का क्या बात है?
Well, fair point there.